Hi, I'm Jonathan. I've been playing with this tool a lot here. This is one of the AF tools. Let me show you where I got it from. Help, install partner products. Here it is here, the AF design bundle. Go get it. It's really worthwhile. So how does it work? So this creates for me gutters and fascias, which is really cool. And I've created those on my building. Now, why would I do that? If we have a look at my drawings, you can see the drawings look much better if we start putting things on like ridge flashings, barge flashings, and gutters or spouting. So that's why we do it. So let's see how we do it. So here it is here. This is my project here. These are my gutters here. I'm going to delete them. I'm going to show you how I made them. And let's use the select similar tool. Let's select all those, delete them, plan view, and we're going to create the gutters. Now I've placed it in my detailing tool set. Here it is here. It's my gutter there. Now there aren't that many choices at the moment. So what you do is you place one and then you make all the choices. So let's zoom in here, click on the edge of my roof. There's the edge of my roof. Just to let you know, you can see just under here, that's the edge of my roof. Double click and it places my gutter. Now I've already placed a few of these and I've also got the elevation correct. So what I'm going to do now is just quickly go through this. So I've got a half round gutter. You can see here it's a half round. I could have a quad gutter, or I could have an angled gutter or a custom profile. And there's a whole lot of custom profiles to choose from, like that one. But I just want a half round. It's one of my favorite ones there. It's a 75mm half round, 3-inch radius. So it's a big gutter, really easy to clean, works really well. I do need to lift this up to the correct elevation. So I'm going to paste in here an elevation that I know is the correct one. I've just used this just before. And there it is there at the correct height. So let's go back to our plan view and we're going to create this. I think we start this end here. It doesn't matter because if I start at the wrong end, I can always just mirror the whole thing. So let's go here, double click, and you can see I did start at the wrong end. It's going the wrong direction. Let's just paste in my Z value and I'm going to click on the mirror. So I've unmirrored it and it's going the right way. So let's do this one here. So starting at the edge of my roof there and finish at the edge of the roof just there. And so that's giving me my gutters. Let's just paste in my height. So that's a big improvement, being able to have those gutters around the building. Let's just go back to the elevation and have a look at it. So here's my elevation. This one doesn't have my gutters on it at the moment. Let's just update it and you can see I've now got my gutters. Now if I add my flashings as well, because I've actually created flashings. Let's do the flashings on. I'm just using a viewport style. Let's just update all of our elevations. So let's go view, update all our elevations. There they are. I think they look a whole lot better with the flashings and the spoutings on them, rather than this one which doesn't have any flashings. Hey, I hope you like that. I'm a big supporter of Andrea, so go get his AF bundle. Start using these tools. They will speed you up a lot. Now, this is only just one of those tools. There's a whole bunch in the bundle. So subscribe if you want to see more of them. Thanks for watching.